What if you can become competent and a professional forex trader in just 45 days? The problem with most of you is you try to make quick money into the market without having 4 pillars for a successfully trading career, which it is solid foundation, having true technical skills, account management skills, and unwavering trading psychology. And without this, you're going to blow your money into the market. One of the biggest challenges in the industry is that it is very simple to find somebody to teach you technical analysis. And that is actually only 20% of the trading. That is why we have designed a complete program for you. Firstly, we'll make you have a solid foundation to forex trading, which will make you understand basic principles of forex trading, will make you understand foundation to emotional discipline, foundation to risk management, and understanding deeply what others are doing, as it is very hard to escape what you don't understand. Secondly, we get you to true technical skills. This is by giving you an access to IFX Advanced Technical course, 16 days of technical training, technical workshop, 3 days of backtesting session, and 5 days of one-to-one training with mentors, plus 2 days of getting experience from IntelligenceFx Pro members, how they transform the skills into results. Then diving deep to account management skills, where we learn how to protect, manage, and grow your capital, intermediate, small, or even huge capital. After learning account management skills, it is where we go into 4 days of deep psychology training, where we're going to learn how to overcome fear of missing out, dealing with losses, anxiety, over-leveraging, and even how to deal with your emotions. This is not the end. We have prepared for you 2 days of giving you a roadmap to get funded through our program called Live Profit Masterclass. So in Live Profit Masterclass, we learn from foundation of profit trading, how to pass challenges, and how to become a profitable and consistently profit trader. All this with guided exercises and assignments in each and every stage of bootcamp, just to ensure you understand each and everything. Your unwavering commitment and relentless dedication won't go unnoticed. At the end of this bootcamp and training, you will not get just knowledge, but also will give you prestigious certificate of accomplishment. This certificate is not just a piece of paper. It is the symbol for your hard work and dedication through mastering true trading skills and become profitable and consistent trader. This unequal certificate, it is more than just a recognition to your achievements. This is certificate which you can include into your professional portfolio, and it can be a key to unlock many doors of opportunities. Save yourself countless years of blowing money into the financial markets, as becoming profitable and consistently trader after 45 days of IFX Bootcamp and mentorship is guaranteed. We are confidently to say this simply because our programs have already helped hundreds to become profitable, consistently funded professional forex traders. More details about this program is coming out soon, so stay tuned and act fast simply because it is limited to only 25 people for effectiveness sake.